A Boston police officer is accused of strangling his ex-girlfriend, and now he's on administrative leave from the force. Boston 25 News reporter Ellie Murillo live in Norwood with the allegations, and a response, Ellie, from the officer's attorney.
Yeah, well, those charges are strangulation or suffocation and a separate charge for assault and battery. Now, the criminal complaint I have here in my hand states that this happened just a few days before the new year. Officer Alexandre's lawyer tells me he denies these allegations and he looks forward to clearing his name.
At the end of the day,
law enforcement expert Todd McGee says it's critical these allegations are fully investigated.
These types of allegations still lend themselves to be viewed as a domestic incident.
The criminal complaint alleges that Officer Ricardo Alexandre placed both hands around a woman's neck and applied pressure during an intimate encounter, preventing her from breathing back on December 28th. She told officers they began dating in September and that she did not consent to choking. The woman told police she hid his car keys after the incident because she was concerned, alleging that Alexandre's drinking has worsened after his mother's passing. BPD confirmed with Boston 25 that Officer Alexandre is on paid leave. Commissioner Cox addressed the allegations on Tuesday.
Well, he was placed on administrative leave immediately. We reported at the Post. They took away his accreditation, and that's so it's a criminal process that he has to go through. But we'll be doing our own internal affairs investigation.
The complaint says the officer came back to the victim's home the next day. That's when the woman called police after she says she was concerned for her safety. Alexandre was later arrested by Norwood police. From January of 2021 through September of 2025, 39 officers were either disciplined, decertified, or suspended by the commission that certifies officers following an incident that involved some form of domestic violence, including 6 Boston police officers.
They will interview all of the parties. In this particular case, they will speak with the girlfriend, the officer that the charges have been levied against. And also they may extend their investigation to speak to any eyewitness accounts, any neighbors that may have heard anything loud or anything unusual. And that would be a part of the fact finding.
Now, Officer Alexandre is due back in court at a later date. I did reach out to the Post Commission for comment. They tell me they cannot comment on pending investigations. We're live in Norwood. I'm Ellie Murillo for your local station, Boston 25 News.
So we will follow up. Ellie, thank you very much.